For most of human history, space was a place of wonder, a distant frontier filled with mystery, danger, and the promise of discovery. Only a handful of trained astronauts, launched aboard massive government-funded rockets, ever got the chance to go there. Getting to space was expensive, rare, and reserved for the elite. But in recent years, that has started to change dramatically. At the forefront of this transformation is SpaceX, a private company founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2002. What once seemed like an impossible ambition, building reusable spacecraft that could routinely carry people and cargo to space, has become a reality. And that reality has a name: Dragon. The SpaceX Dragon spacecraft represents a radical shift in how we approach human spaceflight. It's sleek, autonomous, reusable, and most importantly, it works. Dragon isn't just a vehicle. It's a space taxi for the 21st century, designed to make space travel safer, more affordable, and more accessible than ever before. Dragon's story begins in the early 2000s, when NASA was rethinking how to support the International Space Station. Instead of building everything in-house, the agency launched the Commercial Orbital Transportation Services (COTS) program, a bold initiative that invited private companies to compete for contracts to deliver cargo to the ISS. SpaceX rose to the challenge. The original Cargo Dragon capsule, launched in 2010, was the first commercial spacecraft to be recovered from orbit. Just 2 years later, it became the first commercial vehicle to successfully dock with the ISS and return home. That alone was historic, but Elon Musk's vision went further. From day one, SpaceX had planned to modify Dragon for human spaceflight. Thus was born Dragon 2, also known as Crew Dragon, a completely redesigned version capable of carrying people into space. NASA took notice. In 2014, SpaceX was selected as one of 2 providers under NASA's Commercial Crew program, which aimed to end U.S. reliance on Russian Soyuz capsules following the retirement of the Space Shuttle in 2011. The goal was clear: return human launch capability to American soil using private industry. Crew Dragon is a masterpiece of aerospace engineering. From the outside, it resembles a bullet-shaped capsule with a smooth, white exterior. Minimalist, modern, and unmistakably SpaceX. But it's what's inside that truly sets it apart. The cabin of Crew Dragon is unlike any spacecraft before it. Where older capsules were crowded with switches and analog controls, Dragon is outfitted with touchscreen interfaces, ambient lighting, and ergonomically designed seats. The interior is clean and functional, reflecting SpaceX's design philosophy, inspired as much by Silicon Valley as by NASA. Dragon can carry up to 7 passengers, although most NASA missions fly with 4. Each seat is custom-molded for the individual astronaut, and the cabin is climate-controlled for comfort and safety. Multiple backup systems ensure life support, navigation, and propulsion continue operating in the unlikely event of a failure. One of the most impressive safety features is the Super Draco abort system, a set of 8 powerful engines embedded in the capsule walls. In the event of a launch emergency, Super Dracos can ignite in under a second, blasting the capsule away from the rocket and carrying the crew to safety. A system successfully tested during the in-flight abort test in 2020. Dragon is also autonomous. Once launched into orbit, it can navigate, orient itself, and dock with the ISS without human intervention. Its docking system uses laser rangefinders, sensors, and software to identify the station and align with the port. However, astronauts aboard can override the system and manually pilot the craft if needed, using the same intuitive touchscreen controls. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of Dragon is its reusability. For decades, spaceflight operated on a throwaway model. Capsules would either burn up on re-entry or land in the ocean, never to be used again. This approach was expensive, time-consuming, and wasteful. SpaceX changed the rules. Like its Falcon 9 rocket, whose first stage now routinely lands and relaunches, the Dragon capsule is designed to fly multiple missions. After completing its journey and returning to Earth via parachute-assisted splashdown, the capsule is recovered, inspected, and refurbished for future use. This model dramatically reduces launch costs and increases frequency. Reusability also accelerates turnaround time between missions, which is essential for supporting a growing space economy, including commercial research, tourism, and private exploration. Dragon isn't just flying more missions, it's flying the same spacecraft on repeat, proving that spaceflight can be both high-tech and sustainable. On May 30th, 2020, SpaceX made history with the launch of Demo 2, the first crewed Dragon flight. Astronauts Doug Hurley and Bob Behnken were carried safely to the ISS, marking the first time a commercial company launched humans into orbit. It was also the first crewed launch from American soil in nearly a decade. The significance of that mission cannot be overstated. It was a moment of triumph not only for SpaceX, but for the future of space exploration, proving that the private sector could do what was once the exclusive domain of governments. Since then, Crew Dragon has flown numerous missions: Crew 1, Crew 2, Crew 3, and beyond, rotating international astronauts to and from the ISS in partnership with NASA and other space agencies. But Dragon has also ventured beyond traditional missions. In 2021, Inspiration 4 became the first all-civilian mission to orbit, with no professional astronauts aboard. Funded by billionaire Jared Isaacman and flown purely for science, outreach, and inspiration, it proved that ordinary people, teachers, scientists, and even cancer survivors could go to space. In 2022 and 2023, Axiom Space sent private astronauts and researchers to the ISS on fully commercial missions. These flights are paving the way for private space stations, orbiting research hubs, and even space hotels in the coming decades. Even as SpaceX works on its next-generation Starship system, a fully reusable rocket designed for deep space missions to the Moon and Mars, the Dragon capsule remains essential. It is currently the only American spacecraft certified to carry astronauts to the ISS and back. In the next few years, Dragon will continue to support NASA crew rotations, commercial experiments, and private missions. It may even play a role in the development of orbital infrastructure, such as the Lunar Gateway, a small space station planned to orbit the Moon, or commercial habitats being developed by companies like Axiom and Blue Origin. As the space economy grows, Dragon could also see new uses, transporting space tourists, delivering small payloads, or even supporting remote satellite servicing missions. The flexibility, reliability, and proven safety record of the capsule make it ideal for a wide range of tasks. Eventually, Starship may replace Dragon for long-range missions. But until then, Dragon is our most reliable, proven, and cost-effective ride to space. The SpaceX Dragon isn't just a spacecraft. It's a technological breakthrough, a symbol of private innovation, and a blueprint for the future of human spaceflight. It has proven that space doesn't need to be inaccessible or reserved for a privileged few. With every launch, it brings us closer to a future where space is not just a destination, but a place where humans can live, work, and explore. Thanks to Dragon, A new generation of astronauts, scientists, and explorers from nations around the world are making their way to orbit. Children today can look up at the sky and see not just stars, but possibilities. And so, as we stand on the edge of a new space age, one thing is clear. The Dragon is flying, and the future has already taken off.